Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to talk about that how can you loop a video multiple times in YouTube. So YouTube provides us with an autoplay feature through which we can autoplay related videos, but what if we want to loop through one video? Then what is the process? So first of all, you need to open up the video that you want to loop, then go to these three dots and select this option save. Now here you want to create a new playlist, so let's just enter a playlist name. Let's just name it as loop, and keeping the privacy as private, let's create it. So once the playlist is created, you need to go to this hamburger menu and go to access that playlist, that is this loop playlist. So now you can see there is only one video over here, and here are these three dots. You can just select add to queue, so that means the video would be played next, and then you can just simply click on play all. So this video will start playing, and since this video is only added in queue, so it would be looping and this video would be playing one after the other no matter how many times you check it. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.